Hey guys, welcome to Greatness Outdoors. So today we're doing something pretty fun. It very rarely snows where I live here in North Carolina, but today it snowed. So what do? We decided to go kayaking. Seems like a great idea, right? I think it is. We're gonna go have an awesome time. My friends Josh and Danielle are here with me today. We're gonna do some paddling. We're actually checking out Jordan Lake in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's a pretty cool place. Kayaked here before, never in the snow. So let's go check it out, have some fun.
Obviously, with snow on the ground, the water is super cold. Lucky for me, I've got nice waterproof boots and snow gear on. And just like that, with a quick push of the paddle, I'm off for another great adventure. And the water was so smooth. Usually Jordan Lake's really crowded, a lot of boats out here, really choppy. But today, with the snow, felt like we had the whole place to ourselves, and it was really awesome, a really great experience.
Alright, so we've come up on a pretty cool spot here along the shoreline. Some pretty awesome icicles you can see stretched up all along these tree roots. Check these out.
These things were everywhere. We saw a lot of these icicle formations on the trees. Really weren't expecting to see this here today, but man, it sure was cool to see them.
So there are some really pretty rock formations here in this lake here. You don't really expect to see stuff like this here, but you do. There are some really cool rock outcroppings, and with the snow today, they look amazing.
Again, it was such a rare treat to see all this today. It rarely snows here in eastern North Carolina, and being on the water seeing all this today was just awesome.
Alright, so we have just found ancient Jordan Lake cave drawings from the original settlers to this area. Check it out. Just kidding, folks. This is vandalism at its finest, well, at its worst. You hate to see this type of stuff. Don't like to see it. Don't litter. Don't damage the environment. Don't do this type of thing.
From here, it was starting to get pretty late, so he had to start paddling back to the cars. But first, let's see if Josh can land his drone on his kayak without crashing it into the icy cold water.
Hopefully this don't turn into a blooper reel. Whoa!
Man, talk about scary. That almost got away from him. Anyway, I'm getting out of here. Let me join you here at the landing.
All right, so we did it. We made it. We finished exploring Jordan Lake today in the ice and snow. Really glad we came. This is a beautiful lake. I've been here before, but never when you had snow and ice. So really cool, great to see. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely come check out Jordan Lake if you're in the Raleigh area. We'll see you next time. Be sure and subscribe right here on Greatness Outdoors. Thanks, folks.